Okay, Bilo joins us now with our forecast. You said a lot of rain's heading our way for tomorrow.
A lot of rain. And you know, it's not a terrible thing because we need the rain, but as far as a convenience standpoint is concerned, it's going to be a mess out there for the evening commute. Very, very slow go. And of course, when that much rain comes that quickly, we're not going to deal with massive amounts of flooding because it's been relatively dry, but you will deal with ponding on the roads and the road spray, low visibility and all that good stuff tomorrow afternoon. So this is a very strong storm. Not only that, we're going to be dealing with slippery, wet leaves on the roadway. And then on Thursday, as the storm continues to strengthen over New England, very strong winds will impact our area, leading to the risk for more of those leaves coming down, blowing around across the region, and it will feel a whole lot colder as well. Let's take a look outside. I'll show you the seeds being sown. The ingredients are on the map already for this next storm, as we talked about at the beginning of the newscast. You can see nothing happening locally right now on storm scan, but as we widen out, there is a piece of energy up over the Great Lakes and another one in the deep south, and these two are going to join forces, a very similar setup that we see in the winter time when you have a Gulf low and kind of a polar low coming down from Canada. They join up and they intensify, and that's going to take place especially over New England tomorrow into Thursday. That's where the strong winds will come from. So this future weather shows it pretty well. Tonight is quiet. Tomorrow morning is quiet as well. But then as we head into tomorrow mid-afternoon, that's when the heavy rain arrives. And now right here at 9 o'clock tomorrow night, we start to see that influx of coastal moisture and the low beginning to really strengthen here up across New England. It's going to get this tight circulation. And on Thursday, even though the rain is over, we're going to feel strong winds around the back side of this storm. Good news for the coastal areas. It's not wind off the water. It's wind from the north and west. So we're not looking at another round of that coastal flooding. But you can see even Thursday at noon, heavy rain over portions of New England, and those strong winds around the back edge of that storm finally begins to move out on Friday. Still breezy, but definitely a better day. As far as the entire region is concerned, nobody's going to miss out on this system. The rain looking to be heaviest in our north and west suburbs. The Lehigh Valley and the Poconos likely have the best chance of picking up over an inch of rain. The city near an inch, the shore more like a half an inch, but there will be pockets likely even down the shore that could see more than an inch, and a few pockets across the region, especially north and west, where we may see upwards of 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain with tomorrow's system. So on the roads, the morning commute, we're going to give you the green light. I think it should stay dry. The clouds are going to start to roll in, definitely going to look a lot different than today. But by afternoon, especially late afternoon, off to the west around 2 or 3 o'clock, the rain moves in. It will be heavy, and the afternoon drive is a mess. Steady downpours likely across the entire region around 5 or 6 o'clock tomorrow night. So tonight is mainly clear and comfy at 52. Tomorrow, rain. Heaviest late in the day. That rain will arrive by about 3 o'clock in the city. A rumble of thunder or two is possible, but the heavy rain certainly the bigger threat as compared with any severe weather. It is going to be warm out ahead of this system, but look at the winds after the rain departs. On Thursday, winds could gust over 40 miles an hour Thursday, possibly strong enough to cause some isolated power outages, and certainly strong enough to bring down a lot of leaves across the region throughout the day on Thursday and possibly send your trash can barreling down the street. So your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast, well, tomorrow's mild, but it starts to turn rainy. Heaviest rain is late in the evening. Thursday, much cooler and very windy. Friday, still breezy, crisp and cool, but not bad at 63. And then here's the good news. If there's any good news in the forecast, it's another beautiful fall weekend. Saturday and Sunday look great. Another storm headed our way for Tuesday. So, you know, you got to take the good with the bad. Tomorrow's going to be a mess, but if we can keep this string of beautiful fall weekends going, not too many people complaining.
Bring it.
So nice.
I'm telling you. Thanks, Kate. Appreciate it.